Hello friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel androidCODE. If you are new on my channel, so like my video, subscribe my channel and share this video. So, let's start it. Today I will create a scratch card in Android Studio. Step 1. Create a new Android Studio project. So I open Android Studio software and click to create a new project and select an empty activity and click Next. Enter the project name like Scratch View and click Finish. Now over Android Studio project is building. So here, I will show to some step to make a scratch card project, so I will open my document file and show here. Now we will go to step 2. Add this code in our module level Build.Gradle file. Oh, sorry, here my mistake, I write extra text, so I remove this text. Okay. This code will be right in module level Build.Gradle file. Let's open Android Studio and after open module level Build.Gradle file. And I will paste this code here. Oh, I did not copy that code, so first of all I will copy this code. Okay, so I am select of all this code to show here. Copy this code. And after open Android Studio and paste code and click sync now. And waiting for downloading some data and finish build file. Okay. Here our build is finished now. So, I will go to our document. Okay, step 2 is finish. Here now step 3. Create XML view. I will open activity main.xml file. For design our app. So first I change constraint layout to relative layout. Now remove this dummy text. And take a card view. Card view width is 250 dp. And also, height is 250 dp. Layout center in parent. True. Because I will set a card in center of main layout. Now, I will add image view and text view between card view layout. So, create an image view. And width 130 dp. And height 130 dp. And I will find 2 images from my local computer drive. So, I find images. Click File. I think I have saved image in desktop. Oh, this is here. And copy this image. Again. Open Android Studio. Paste images in drawable folder. Off. Paste images. Paste. Drawable or drawable 24 any. And click reflector and save image successful. In image view src tag. And image of trophy. Click to show images in Android Studio. OK. Next. Create a text view tag for winning prize text. Width is match parent. And height wrap content. Text. Here this text show of demo text for winner value price. I write some text like you have won. And write some code for icon of rupee /n /u /n for new line. I will type some characters and show rupee's icon in our screen. Show here. Type this code to show rupee icon in screen from text view. Now type 1014. This value is after scratching this card. Reward for our app user. OK. I zoom this screen. Watch rupee icon. OK. Now. Text size. 16 sp. Enter. Text color. Black. Layout gravity. Center. Gravity. Center. Padding 16 sp. So. Now. IWLL. Create. Linear layout. So. Linear layout. And. This. Width 250 dp. Oh sorry. Match parent. Height wrap content. Orientation. Vertical. Over linear layout. Now. Cut. Image view and text view. And paste in. linear layout, and width change wrap content to 130 dp. Then, margin top 30 dp. OK. Now, linear layout is done. Minimize our linear layout. And next Scratch view. So, Scratch view. Width match parent. Height match parent. And image. Oh sorry. Overlay image. To add our card background image. Now, I will give a new ID for Scratch view. ID Scratch view. And now copy this ID and open MainActivity.java. Define private field of Scratch view. Here. Now I will ID binding for Scratch view. OK. Now ID binding is done. Next. Scratch view.set. Oh. I think. .set revel listener. Oh. New. I think. On revel listener. No. No. Oh sorry. Oh. OK. New Scratch view.I reveal listener. OK. Done. In this method on reveal in any action for your choice. OK. Like this some massage or any about action of your app here. Now. ScratchCard is 75% scratched after on reveal method is called. OK. I will now just simple toast massage for this method is called. I will type congratulations massage to after card is scratched. OK. I hope you understanding this tutorial. OK now next. Click run and run this app. Now you can show my device and installing app on this device. OK. Now launch our app successfully. I try to scratch. Oh. Sorry. Now I am trying scratch this card. Oh nice wonderful. This card is scratched successfully and show massage here. OK. Now retry to scratch. Wow. Our application works successfully. Now. Watch here. And understanding code now. First of all. Main layout is a relative layout. In the relative layout is a one child THA is a card view. In card view two childs. Linear layout and scratch view. Linear layout used for back view of scratch card. And scratch view is used for user front view. And click this image to show full image view specific image to watch it. OK now go to MainActivity.java. Define global variable for scratch view and ID binding. And then set revel listener and his two override methods. Thank you. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. Check description box to watch our project document files. If you are enjoy this tutorial, like my video, share my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.